Hello everyone, welcome back to Aroma Talks. Arona here. So, in a bid to work out the most effective way of how to get rid of spots, I have tried almost everything. I have whipped up homemade face masks in my kitchen, lemon juice on my skin, turmeric powder, honey, and many others in the hopes of zapping my zest. And yet, the one trick I always resort back to is good old toothpaste and Vaseline jelly. So, I thought I would share with you guys today how I use this and what it does to my face. Let's get started. So, we're going to need some toothpaste, and I have Colgate here, but you can use any kind of toothpaste you have on hand. Toothpaste has a drying effect on pimples, which can help reduce redness and inflammation, shortening the life cycle of a blemish. It will help you get rid of those nasty dark or black lines. It can be used by both men and women. It helps improve your skin color as well. However, toothpaste can be irritating to your skin, so I would advise you to use this only once a week. Then we have our Vaseline jelly, and I'm going to use this one. It's pure petroleum jelly, original one. It is a soft mixture of natural waxes and mineral oils called hydrocarbons. It's obtained by purifying petroleum to modify the color and remove odors and contaminants. So we're going to scoop some Vaseline out of the jar. I have my small container and a mixing spoon right here. Then we add some toothpaste and mix very well. The protective properties of petroleum jelly help soothe the skin, especially dry patches and other areas recovering from irritation. Vaseline can also serve as a great body moisturizer to manage eczema-prone skin. So it is an oily-based product that forms an oily film over the surface of the skin. So people that do benefit from using Vaseline on their face are those with normal skin, dry skin, irritated or inflamed skin, small wounds, and those dealing with eczema. Mix very well until you get the consistency that you really want. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my face. I first wash my face to make sure everything is super clean. Yes, I wash it with warm water to open up the pores, and then I apply this. And you can use, let's say, a brush, a makeup brush, but I'm going to go ahead and use my own hands. So I apply it all over my face. Oh, my eyes. Yeah. Without forgetting the under eyes. I love the way it feels. It's kind of tingling. I just love the way it feels, and I have a dry skin, so This is good for me. Let's go ahead, apply it all over our face. And yeah. So the question is, for how long can I leave toothpaste on my face? Well, I apply this and I leave it on for about 20 minutes. And then I come back, wash it off with lukewarm water. Then moisturize with my normal cream. Oops, so guys, we're back. After 20 minutes, we washed it off and oh my god, my face feels so good. It feels so smooth, so soft. I love this, guys. Oof, you should try this. Oh my goodness. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face, and I use aloe vera gel to moisturize. So yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to share it with your friends. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.